Hey little kids, today I am going to draw for you some makeup kits. I will draw vanity bag, lipstick, nail polish, eyeshadow plate and eyeshadow brush, comb and mirror. So let's see how I do this and you should try with me. I'm using 10 colors for eyeshadow plate: red, orange, yellow, brown, pink, light blue, purple, deep green, light green and black. Now I am using red color for lipstick and the purple color for lipstick box. I am using blue color and brown color for nail polish. Now I am using orange color for mirror. I also using deep green color for mirror decoration. Here I am using pink, red, brown and black color for these beautiful eyeshadow brushes. Now I am using light green color for eyeshadow plate and brown color for eyeshadow plate's upper side. Now I am coloring the red one for this beautiful vanity bag. I'm using pink color for the mirror glass. And the light blue color for the comb. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you. Bye bye little friends.